Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to connect Steam and EA. Start by going to the link below or typing in EA into your browser. If you are signed in on the EA website, sign out. If you are not signed in, you will see this Sign In or Create Account pop up when clicking on the icon in the top right corner. Now choose Sign In, but instead of signing in with your phone or email and password, click on this Steam icon. A new page will open up where you can select or sign into your Steam account. When signed in, this page will open up, requesting if EA may access your Steam ID. Click on Allow. This page will open up with Create your EA account at the top. Don't worry, this is normal. We will not be creating a new EA account, just connecting your existing one. Fill in any date of birth and click on Next. When done so, type in the email address connected to your existing EA account and choose Next once more. After that, EA will tell you that there already is an EA account with that email address. Click Next again. Now EA wants to verify that the existing EA account is yours. Click on Send Code and check your email for a 6-digit code. Copy this code onto this page and click on Sign In. Finally, choose Link Accounts, and your accounts will be linked. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.